Welcome back to the Charleston Living with Cindy show. My name is Cindy Sweeney and I serve the amazing people of the Charleston Low Country. Today we are talking all about selling your home quickly while making a profit. Now this market is crazy, as everybody knows, and although a lot of sellers think that they don't have to prep their home for sale because of the market, that's just not right. I have a prime example of what sellers should do to maximize the money they receive, which is what we want to do as sellers, right? And be able to sell quickly. Okay, so here's my story, all right? So I recently had a seller whose roof was leaking. The HVAC, which is the heating and air conditioning unit, was in bad shape. Now, when I'm taking a buyer to a home, I like to look at it. I like to think about when I bought, and the first thing I check for my buyers is the age and the condition of the roof and heating and air. Those are super important, not only for comfort, but because they are probably the most expensive items to fix and the last thing you want to fix when you move in. So I gave my seller the information for what the sales price should be, both without the roof and without the HVAC fixed and without a little updating inside versus with those items done. And I also let him know that regardless of the market, it would sell not only quicker with those items updated, but for more money than it costs to get them done. So a nice extra little profit, correct? Right? So my seller had seen so many homes go in his neighborhood for top dollar very quickly, and he thought that he would rather price it at the top of the market and not fix those things. Of course, I tried to convince him not to do that, but he really wanted to take a shot. So we did, at top dollar. Ugh. Okay, so the home was on the market for about a week. We only had a handful of showings, and all the feedback was coming back that it was overpriced for needing so much to be fixed, right? So now I am so glad that we had that talk ahead of time, because he knew I was marketing like crazy and he was upset that it didn't get sold quickly. Although I have to give him credit, because he admitted that he realized that it was the repairs, not the marketing, in other words, not me, that was keeping his home from selling. Okay? So once he got some updating done, the new roof and the HVAC were installed, we had new photos done, and we relisted the property. We had 15 offers in 22 hours, and the home sold for $25,000 over list. Crazy, right? Okay, I have Lottie helping me out because he was trying to eat my equipment, so I'm trying to keep him from doing that. So now, back to the story. That doesn't happen with everyone, okay? I'm just using that as an example of the big difference a little work can make, and how the difference in how much money you can get, as well as how quickly you can sell. So as with my guy, some sellers think they'll sell their home the first weekend that it's up for sale and get top dollar. That's not always the case, even in this crazy quick market. So I'm now going to give you 3 important ways that you can sell your home for more money and in less time. We are going to give you 3 different ways. Look over there, Lottie. Okay. Okay, so I got Lottie situated with a chew toy, so let's see how long that lasts with a puppy, right? So here we go. P number 1, prepare your home to sell. Home staging is key to selling your home for more money and in less time. Key, okay? I cannot stress this enough. We live in a time where people will sift through 40 photos, videos, walkthroughs of your home before they decide to even walk through its doors, okay? So when people are looking at homes, they want what they don't have. They want to walk into a home that looks like it's HGTV ready. You know what I'm talking about. They don't want to look at a home that looks like what they have now, okay? And honestly, what their home is probably going to look like in 6 months, no matter where they move, right? Okay. So if professional staging isn't an option, do it yourself. There are so many simple updates that you can make to prepare your home for sale. In addition to making sure that your home is neat and clean, you can swap out hardware, you can paint the front door, add flowers to the yard and to your kitchen throughout the house, and throw pillows to the couches. Just a little pick-me-up, right? A great real estate agent will be able to help guide you through this process and give you the advice that you need for your home. P number 2, price your home to sell. Ideally, your home should be listed at market value. Okay, right now the homes are flying off the market. We know this, but with the help of a little staging, professional photography, and digital marketing, it should sell pretty quickly. And most of the time lately, it's been with multiple offers. Okay, pricing your home correctly is an art form. Your real estate agent will look at all the other homes that have sold in your neighborhood and come up with a number that's priced to sell. All right? That's what we do. We price it to sell. Okay, guys, we're in the home stretch. Yay! P number 3, place your home up for sale. It's about time. Selling a home quickly is so much more than putting a sign in the yard. You've got to understand that. A good real estate agent doesn't just post and pray, okay? And some agents really do that. You want an agent who will work with you and for you, and that's an agent who has a plan, okay? Now, part of that plan is adding your home to the MLS and making sure it syndicates to all of the home search sites on the internet so it can be found easily online, because that's where most buyers look for their homes now, right? A great agent will also have a rock-solid marketing plan to ensure that your home gets as much traffic as possible in the shortest amount of time possible. That's the key to getting multiple offers and the best price. A plan. As an agent, I know how to prepare, I know how to price, and I know how to place your home to sell fast. I also have an awesome marketing plan to make sure that your home gets sold for the most amount of money. High traction, most amount of money. Not only do I make sure that your home gets maximum coverage, not just locally, but nationally and worldwide, as well as an enormous military presence, because I am an Air Force veteran. Okay, so I know we've gone over quite a bit here, but at this point you still may be convinced that you need some guidance around the area of selling your home. You know, that's understandable because I've been in your shoes, okay? You may also be thinking that you have no idea where to start. So remember, even though I have been a real estate agent for many, many years, most of my home buying and selling was before I was an agent. So I know exactly how you are feeling, okay? So if you are thinking about making a move, I can help you through the process, okay? I am a realtor and I am the broker at Charleston Southern Homes, all right? I would love to answer your questions. That's what I do. I thrive on answering questions. So just send me a message or text me at 843-300-2636. Again, that's 843-300-2636. Now, there's no pressure, no sales tactics, just the help and the guidance that you need. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Cindy Sweeney, and this is Charleston Living with Cindy. I'll see you in the next episode.